Exhale, push your fingertips forwards, round your back. Hi guys, this is Megha and I am leading the yoga class today morning at Lost Hostels, Varkala. I am going to be leading Vinyasa Yoga, which comes from traditional Ashtanga Yoga. So this was created for modern minds. That's what we call as monkey minds. It's always just moving around, lost in different thoughts, and it really anchors you in the present because you're moving in a lot of different directions, doing a lot of funky transitions. So today's practice is going to be a balance of yin and yang. Opening our hearts with this posture once again. So that when love is in front of us in different forms, we stop building walls and we let it in. I know all of us have gone through different experiences. And maybe you had to be tough. You had to be strong. You had to take care of someone. And probably in this whole process, we forgot what it feels like to receive. Most of us are very uncomfortable slowing down. It is focused on a lot of emotional release. So we hold like simple postures but for a longer duration of time. So all that has been piled up comes to the surface. How much control are you going to let it have over you? For two, clear your mind, clear your mind. Last breath.
Hey guys, Mayank, and today's yoga session was really good, really good.
It actually relaxed you in a very soothing manner.
Last night was a crazy Lost Hostel night with all the parties, and you're up till 3 a.m. talking to random strangers you meet and having a blast, and you feel like you might not be able to get up.
I personally loved it, and I think everyone should at least give it a try.
You feel like you're gonna pass out during it, but after the session you feel so energized. You feel like, oh, why didn't I not do it for 2 other days when you were here? So just go experience it if you can and come to Lost. Eventually just come to Lost and have a great time.